Did you know that proper balance in your body chemistry is crucial for good health and reaching your full potential in life? Things like food, alcohol, medication, and even pollutants can upset this delicate balance. Balanced body chemistry is essential for daily activities like sleeping, driving, and even threading a needle. But did you know that vertebral subluxations can disrupt this balance? These misalignments can interfere with your nerve communication, leading to imbalances in your body chemistry. Regular chiropractic adjustments help maintain this balance, ensuring your body produces the right chemicals at the right amount. Combined with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper sleep, chiropractic care boosts your chances of staying well and performing at your best.